Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The first, let me introduce myself. It's me, Idrus Saleh. You can address me Idrus. Then, please you to introduce.
And me, my name is Muhammad Irfan Hidayatullah. You can address me by Irfan.
Alright. Right now, let me ask your time to take interview by English teacher because you are an English teacher, right?
Yes.
Maybe around 5 minutes or 7 minutes to take interview by English vocabularies. Alright. Actually, I have so many questions for you. So I hope you are answered by the best step or the good things to make English teacher is really good enough to teaching the students. Right.
Okay.
Especially for young learners, alright? Alright. Then for the first question is, what is the effective way or strategy used to teach vocabulary for young learners? Can you give me your tips or some tips to make the student is really clearly, is really understand the teacher when they are learning vocabulary? The simple tips maybe.
Oh, okay, I got it. Maybe the simple tips is just to teach vocabulary for young learners is through games and songs and visual aids.
Alright.
Maybe just that all.
That's all.
Yes. Because why? Because young learners can enjoy his class, his learners in the class.
Alright.
Make it fun and make it interactive when he want to study vocabulary or study learning English. I mean that.
Alright.
For the example, you can using flashcards and then picture making games and singing vocabulary songs.
Alright.
Yeah, maybe that's all.
Alright. And then for the second question is, what are the difficulties in teaching vocabulary? So actually there are so many difficult when the teacher teaching or we are teaching English, yeah, especially English when we are teaching. So actually there are so many difficulties, and then what are the difficulties for you?
One difficulty in teaching vocabulary is that students can often forget the words.
Alright, very.
For the example, if they don't use them regularly.
Alright.
Another problem is limited exposure. And then, yeah, maybe that's all.
So
That is my problems when I
alright.
teach English.
So do you have what is it? Do you have tips to make easy teach English for young learners, especially its vocabulary? You have tips to make the teacher feel easy to teach the students.
Maybe maybe one tips or to solve these problems, teachers can review vocabulary regularly.
Alright.
Like what I'm said before, you like using short games or quizzes.
Alright, quiz. Alright. That's it.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
And then for the last questions,
Yeah.
what is the solving problem from the difficulties? what is the solving problem for the difficulties when the teacher is teaching the students?
Yeah, that's all. Maybe you can, yeah, what I'm said before. You can using short games or quizzes and like you can like use new words in daily activities, in daily conversation.
Daily communication like this one?
Yeah,
Right.
you can use it.
So, right. That's all.
Yeah,
Right.
that is make it students more meaningful and long lasting.
Alright. So maybe that's all my question for interview today, because we are just only have 3 questions for the speaker, alright?
Yes.
Okay, maybe that's all what I can deliver to you. Here I am, Idris Soleh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.